The way you wash your hair can really make or break it if you're trying to grow it out. Having a good wash day technique is just as important as choosing the right hair care products to use. The secret is to incorporate scalp massage into the routine. A scalp massage helps stimulate the scalp and increase blood flow to the follicles, bringing in the essential nutrients and vitamins your hair needs. To do this effectively, using a massage brush is very helpful. Get your scalp brush from Shiny Leaf today. It's available in 5 colors: white, blue, pink, purple, and turquoise. The material is food-grade soft silicone, BPA-free, and safe for the environment. It has a comfort design that's easy to hold and feels very relaxing, so you can even sleep in the shower. No, just kidding. But you can actually use this scalp brush even when you're not in the shower, and just chill while running the brush all over your head. Maybe do it along with a hot oil treatment. When you incorporate this into your wash routine, you'll find that your head is less itchy, and your hair starts to grow a little bit quicker after about a month of continued use. You'll also notice that flakiness is gone and hair growth is improving. Of course, when picking the right shampoo to use it with, some of the best picks you can find are those shampoos that are filled with ingredients that are known to help with hair growth, such as castor oil and biotin, like the ones from Shiny Leaf. We really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media channels. See you on the next one. Shiny Leaf. Look good. Love yourself.